Welcome to Immunohistochemistry Essentials, a one-stop shop for your IHC reagent needs. We will walk through the IHC reagent selection wizard in this short video. Immunohistochemistry is a multi-step process, and each step requires multiple reagents, and the wizard enables you to search for reagents and add them directly to your shopping cart with ease. The wizard starts with selecting a primary antibody and controls based on your target gene of interest. So today we're going to be using LGR5 as our example. So you'll first type in LGR5 and then hit the refresh button here. And the results of the antibody tab will be displayed first. And you can see the first 5 options. You can also use the slider on the right to see more options for antibodies. Each box shows the catalog number, the product description, the volume or size, and then the price. And then you can easily add this to your cart by clicking the shopping cart symbol. The next step is to select a verified positive control for the target gene of interest. So you'll click on the cytosections tab, and the appropriate cytosections will be displayed. So I'll just add this one to my cart. In addition to the cytosections, we also have a large tissue biorepository where you can get tissue controls. So depending on your research, you can start your tissue control search by clicking on one of the tabs, either normal, cancer, or other diseases. Suppose you're looking for a cancer tissue, so we'll select cancer. And this will lead you to the tissue biorepository wizard in a new window where the cancer disease state is already pre-selected. You can then narrow your search by selecting the appropriate item from the drop-down menu. So for instance, if you're looking for FFPE tissue for IHC, you can go to the Type tab and select FFPE from the drop-down menu. In addition, you can also narrow your search results by choosing from the Diagnosis or Tissue drop-down menus. So I'll select this breast cancer tissue for today's example. So you click on the product that you're interested in, and you can easily add it to your cart. And then you can navigate back to the Immunohistochemistry Essentials page by clicking on the IHC tab in the menu bar at the top. For selecting reagents for any of the IHC steps along the workflow, click on the box and you can add any reagent of your choice to the shopping cart by clicking on the shopping cart symbol. So after you're done choosing all of your reagents, you can go to this cart up at the top right of the page and check out. That concludes today's tutorial. Try the Immunohistochemistry reagent selection wizard today and get your IHC reagents in just a few clicks.